Hey, I'm Monique, and I recently graduated in the Cert 3 Early Childhood Education and Care. My passion for children and watching them grow, learn, and develop, I really am passionate about seeing the milestones be reached. So just being able to be a small part of their world and being able to see little changes and just be there and guide them to their milestones, I think it's really special. So it makes me motivated to want to get out of bed every day to go and do that. I feel like I've always had that spark with children. My friends have children. I've got a lot of nieces and nephews, and people often will say to me, why aren't you working in childcare? You're so good with children. And I thought, oh, one day I'll do it. And I don't know, it's just like I had an epiphany, and I thought I was in the wrong job, and I just thought, why not? Very supportive. I had access to my teacher, Sherilyn, who was amazing. I had multiple trainers that would get in touch with me, and I always felt very up to date with what was going on. I really highly rate Kirana. I've actually got somebody at my work who wants to sign on with Kirana because people were quite shocked when they hear how fast I went through it. They're like, what? Is that place legit? And I was like, it's legit, yes. I did the work. I think developing holistic learning, nature-based learning, and developing positive relationships with children. I learned a lot in those modules, so those were my favorite ones. And reflecting and guiding my practice. Surprisingly, I learned a lot about myself through that one too. So I would say I would do module by module. So you say, this is the module that I want to complete, and give yourself a little deadline. I want to do this module by next Saturday. And how is that going to happen? You've got to look at your schedule. And if that means you're not going to go out with your friends one afternoon, it is sacrifice. But if you are willing to put it all in, then you will get great rewards out of it. So depends on how fast you want to do it. I wanted to complete it very fast, so I made a lot of sacrifices, but each person to their own. If they want to complete it a little bit longer and they don't have as much time, then they would make one module per month per se, depending on the person and their circumstances. But you can make it work. It's definitely doable. Very easy. And surprisingly, I had a lot of people coming to me as soon as I started putting my resume out. I was getting a lot of phone calls, and I was very shocked. I had 2 interviews the day that I actually got the job. Right then and there, they were like, we want you, we need you. When's the earliest you can start? And I thought, wow, not only is this my passion, but this is a real industry that actually needs help. So I thought, this is definitely my calling. It was very reassuring to me that I was choosing the right industry. I thought, wow, I was just a bit shocked. I didn't think I would get a job so easy. Well, I am currently studying for my diploma in early childhood education and care, and that's very exciting.